Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming two essentials. Your account is verified and shows your true age, and your device has a working microphone. Next, update the Roblox app or client to the newest build. Once done, sign in and open settings immediately. Make sure your email is confirmed and parental controls allow chat. If you haven't passed verification, follow the on-screen identity prompts now so Roblox can enable voice features for your account. Once verification is submitted, wait for Roblox to process it. Processing can take hours. You'll then see a voice chat option in settings under privacy. Toggle it on. Make sure your operating system grants microphone permission to Roblox and test input in the client's audio settings. If you see a warning, rerun verification or upload clearer ID images. Keep the app foregrounded while permissions update and reconnect to any game session so the server recognizes your newly enabled voice status. Finish by joining a game that supports spatial voice and confirm the mic indicator appears. Use push-to-talk if required by the experience. If voice doesn't work immediately, restart Roblox and rejoin the session so servers refresh your entitlement. Should problems persist, make sure your verified age and country match Roblox requirements, rerun identity verification, and double-check OS and app microphone permissions as one key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.